Area in circles. So let's talk about finding the area of a parallelogram. And the formula is given here as the area is equal to base times height. Well, my base is this right here. And my height of the parallelogram is this. So we're going to take our A and set it equal to 23 times 29. And I just want to show you something. It's 23 centimeters times 29 centimeters. And we can rewrite it as 23 times 29. And it gives me centimeters squared. And that's where the unit centimeter squared comes on this. So I just wanted to show you that right quick. All right. So let's write our centimeters squared here. And let's times that. So we have 23 times 29 gives me 667 centimeters squared. And that's the area. It's that simple. Okay, now let's look at the next one. It says find the area of a triangle. Okay, here's the formula given for the area of a triangle. So it says you take half of base times height. Well, we got this triangle. We got this base right here. And then we have the height right here. So let's write it out. We have area is equal to my half times my base. Well, I have a base of 2 and 6. So it's 2 plus 6 times my height of h. Let's write it. Half of that. So I got 8 times 8. This equals half times 8 times 8 is 64. And if we are to see what's half of 64, we know it's 32. And let's not forget our units. We got meters squared. And that is our answer. So let's talk about the next one. It says find the diameter of a circle. Diameter of a circle. Whenever we talk about a circle, the diameter goes all the way across. And if we only are given the radius of the circle, then that means it's split in half. So to determine what is the diameter, we need to multiply r times 2 because we're going to have 2 parts of r that makes up a whole diameter. Okay, so if we had a diameter and we wanted to know what the r was, then that means we'd have to divide the diameter by 2. All right, but in this case here, we're just looking for the diameter. So my r here, let's write our formula. D equals 2 times r, 2 times 32.8. And that would equal 32.8 times 2 is 65.6. And that is my diameter of that circle. And the formula method of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared, where r is my radius, h comma k is the center of the circle. Now, our last example. We have hands of a clock suggest an angle whose measure is continually changing. How many degrees does a minute hand move through during a 14-minute interval? Okay, so the measures of a circle is 360 degrees, right? If we draw a circle, we start at 0 degrees and we go all the way around, and we'll get to the all the way around, we'll get 360 degrees. So that's the measure of a circle. There are 60 minutes in an hour. So determine the number of minutes in an hour relates to the measure of a circle. It gives us a relationship of 360 degrees. And you can write the words out, or we can write it with the little symbol per 60 minutes. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to set it up to solve this answer. So we're going to have a ratio that's proportion. So I have 360 degrees for 60 minutes. And we're going to set it equal to, well, what are we looking for? We're looking for an unknown degrees. So we can call it X, you can call it Y, whichever you want. I guess I should abbreviate since abbreviated over there. Let's just abbreviate. And it's all going to be divided by what was given to us, 14 minutes. All right, so we did good. We have a ratio that's proportion to a ratio. And when we're looking for X, and X is in the numerator, so we can cross multiply, but we only have to do part of it. We only need to cross multiply this denominator. So when we do that, we have X by itself, and I'm going to rewrite it where X is over here. X degree is equal to, and now let's rewrite this. I have 360 degree times that 14 minute, all divided by 60 minute. And yay, look, our minutes reduce and we're left with degree, and that's what we wanted, right? That's one part. The next part is we need to go ahead and multiply out. You can reduce if you want to right now and then multiply. Either way it goes, just make sure you reduce in the overall. So my answer here is we have 84 degrees. That's my answer.